Hello everyone. This is our episode 3 of 20 episode series on Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's life, the making of a warrior and a scholar. In the previous episode, we saw how Rajmata Jizabai and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj shaped Sambhaji Maharaj's childhood. While other princes enjoyed a life of luxury, Sambhaji Maharaj was being prepared for a life of responsibility. As he grew older, his education became more religious. Shivaji Maharaj believed that a future king should be as sharp with his mind as he was with his sword. So, alongside military training, Sambhaji Maharaj received a deep education in languages, politics, history, and statecraft. He learned Sanskrit, Marathi, and several other languages. He studied ancient scriptures, literature, and diplomacy, understanding that a ruler often wins battle through wisdom before fighting with them on the battlefield. But books were only one part of his education. Every morning brought hours of physical training. Horse riding, sportsmanship, archery, wrestling, and battlefield tactics became part of his daily routine. Under experienced commanders, Sambhaji learned how to lead soldiers, read difficult terrains, and remain calm under pressure. Whenever Shivaji Maharaj returned from military campaigns, Sambhaji eagerly listened to the strategies behind each victory. He wasn't interested only in knowing who won, he wanted to know why they won. This habit of questioning and learning made him different. Years later, even in even his enemies would acknowledge his intelligence and courage. By his teenage years, Sambhaji Maharaj was no longer just the son of Shivaji Maharaj. He was steadily becoming capable prince, ready to shoulder greater responsibilities. But destiny had another lesson waiting for him. A journey to the Mughal court would test him courage, patience, and understanding of politics at an age when most children were still discovering the world. And in the next episode, we will travel with young Sambhaji Maharaj to Agra, where we will witness one of the most dramatic chapters in the history of Swaraj. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.